Hey there YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your blower motor in your 2006 Toyota Camry. So currently my motor actually works, but it makes a loud noise, so I think I might just have to clean it, but basically it's going to be the same as taking it out. So here's the noise. It's actually vibrating the dash. So let's tear into this. And Toyota makes it really easy for the next step to get this plastic cover off here. You just look up in here and there's little clips you push in with your finger and they will release eventually. Okay, that's one. Let's see, you just push it. Two, alright. And that third one is going to be a pain. And here's the piece off. You see what I'm talking about. It's just a little clip you depress to pop it off. Alright, and once you're under here, there's just 3 Torx screws that you take off. Looks like you can actually use a flathead screwdriver on those. I'll tell you what, Toyota is amazing. Not only can you use a Torx bit on these screws, you can use a flathead and an 8mm. Since the screw itself is a hex. Yeah, I forgot you have to unhook this harness too. Just pull it out of this plug right here on the motor. Just boop, pinch right here on the nub there. Just pinch right there. Done. And let's drop her out. Looks like it might take a little finessing. Alright, and so after you get the 3 screws out, this vent right here and this wire harness block blocks it. But if you just squeeze on this vent right here a little bit to deform it, the motor will drop right out. Just like that. Ah, look at that. There was that a walnut or an acorn in there? I don't know. But that's what was making it uneven, I bet. Putting the motor back up in here took a little bit more finessing than getting it out to get around this foot vent here. But I was still able to do it without removing it. And just get it up in there and then rotate it until the screw holes align. Screw it back in and plug in the harness. Alright, I got the 3 screws back in. I'm gonna plug my harness back in. There we go. Now before I put that cover back on, I'm going to test it out. Look at that. No more vibration.